So, what are you going to do?
I will scoop your sock into a lift and doctor.
Wow. Tell me more.
I will put your sock into a doctor.
A doctor?
Hey, here's my. I can get the back.
What are you standing on?
A box.
A box. Yes, you are. You gonna reel something in? You think you can get You think you can get the fish or the crab?
Like 2 maggots. Look, fishy, you have maggots.
It does have a magnet. You're right.
See? I told you.
You did.
Fishy, you have maggots. I told you.
You told me.
I would start on box.
You can stand on that box?
Yeah.
Hooray!
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I would hook something up.
What are you gonna hook up?
Fishy, you have maggots. I told you.
No.